Looking for a colorful and adventurous trip in the beautiful landscapes of San Salvador? Well, we have a hidden gem for you. Have you ever heard of the Rainbow Slides in El Salvador? No? Don't worry. Today we're here to take you on an exciting journey to uncover these thrilling attractions and answer all the questions you might have. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an adrenaline-filled adventure. 1. Where is the Rainbow Slide located? The Rainbow Slide is nestled within Picnic Steakhouse, just 20 minutes from San Salvador, near the majestic San Salvador volcano. It's an easy drive up the volcano, and you'll find the restaurant on your right. 2. How much is the Rainbow Slide? Entry to Picnic Steakhouse is free. However, you need to purchase food to receive tickets for the Rainbow Slide. Each thrilling ride costs only $5, and you can ride as many times as you want, 3. Is the Rainbow Slide safe? Absolutely. Safety is a priority, and this 60-second adrenaline rush is a must-do in El Salvador. It's designed for excitement and your safety. 4. About Picnic Steakhouse. Picnic Steakhouse isn't just about the Rainbow Slide. It's a renowned restaurant known for its delectable steaks and breathtaking views of San Salvador. Whether day or night, the vistas will leave you in awe. 5. Bonus: the new Rainbow Slide in West El Salvador. There's a new Rainbow Slide near Cafe Albania in Ruta de Flores. It's longer and faster, and you don't need water to make it slippery. Don't miss the chance to experience this thrilling addition. Discover the Rainbow Slides of El Salvador for unforgettable adventures. Whether in San Salvador or Ruta de Flores, these hidden gems are waiting to be explored and cherished. Remember to like and subscribe for more travel content and tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.